Hi, everybody. It's Chanel from East Coast Mommy, and Christmas is coming. But don't worry, I have genius DIY gift ideas for you, and most of them use dollar store supplies. The first idea is an adorable way to package homemade cookies. I made a batch of my favorite ginger molasses cookies, and I packaged them in cellophane bags with a little sticker. I'll leave a link in the description below to my recipe. You're going to want to try this one. The first thing that I did was make elf hats for my cookies. I made a little template on a piece of white paper, just kind of what I thought an elf hat would look like. And then I used my template to transfer onto red cardstock and green cardstock. You can see here what I'm doing. I did the base of the hat red and the main part of the hat green. This is such a simple DIY gift, and it's also a fun craft project. It's something that the whole family can get involved in, and I think it's super cute and super fun. Once everything was cut out, I used some white glue to attach the brim of the hat to the main part of the hat. I also used some white glue to attach a little bead to the top of the hat, and I set it aside to dry. The next part is really fun, adding some personality to the little elf cookie. So I used some white glue to add googly eyes. I also used white glue to attach little buttons for cheeks, and I used a Sharpie to draw on a little mouth. I think this is so adorable. You just keep repeating this process until you have a whole batch of adorable cookies. Then grab some tape and use it to attach the hats. I think this is a really cute idea. It's fun for a party, to enjoy at home, or to give to friends and family. They're fun to make, great to give, and delicious to eat. The next idea is super simple. I grabbed these clear balls from the dollar store and I designed these tags, which you can download for free on my blog. I'll leave the link in the description below. I also have a little hair scrunchie that I ordered from Temu, but the dollar store has tons that you can buy too. You simply take the top off of the plastic ornament, insert the scrunchie, and put the top back on. Then you just add the cute little tag that I designed that says Christmas hair don't care. It's designed to be printed like a 4x6 photo. So there are 3 tags per sheet. You cut it, put a little hole in it with a hole punch, and add a piece of twine to attach it to the ornament. I also replaced the original hanger with a piece of red ribbon. I think it looks a lot nicer, but that's totally optional. The next gift idea uses these little LED lamps that I found at Dollarama. They are a perfect surface for decals. I decided to turn mine into a little glowing nativity scene. I printed the decals off on my Cricut, used some transfer paper to add them to the lamp, and that was it. I put this one on the front and then I put a different version on the back. So it's double-sided and it looks really, really cute. And I think this makes a great Christmas gift. Fun packaging makes gifts even better. And these brown bags from the dollar store are perfect for DIYing. I'm going to show you two versions. So for the first one, I'm going to cut the corners off and make kind of the roof shape of a house. Then I'm going to grab a chalk pen and start drawing on to make a gingerbread house on the front. It doesn't have to be fancy. I just kind of went with what I thought. If you want some inspiration, you can Google it, but I just kind of winged it, and this is what I came up with. Again, it doesn't have to be fancy, just have fun with it. The gingerbread house bag is cute, but I think this reindeer bag might be even cuter. All you need to do is put some white glue on the bag to attach some googly eyes. Then you're going to need something for Rudolph's nose. I had a scrap piece of vinyl. I cut out a circle and I just attached that to the bag. Then I used a Sharpie to draw a little mouth. And for the antlers, I used candy canes. I just used a little bit of tape and taped them to the inside of the bag. And that was it. That's all you need, and it's ready for gift giving. How cute is this little guy? If you like these projects, let me know in the comments which is your favorite DIY gift. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.